Escapism, I confide into these words, my journal hides. I try so hard to beautify, to be loved with a heavy heart, and view each sunrise as fine art. The noise is just a distraction that I just don't interact in. Wiping my tears off my face, gotta save them for another day. Teenage therapy, just a cup is all I need. I can close my eyes and dream a song in good conversations, tastes just like medication. So to all of the population, we'll be
right back after this message.
This video is sponsored by Karma, an app and browser extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or coupon code. Hi, can I please get 2 iced matcha moon lattes? Let's do a 16. And for one of them, can I do almond milk, please? What kind of food do y'all have available right now?
We have some croissants left and a cookie left.
Ooh. I'll just do those drinks then. Thank you.
Okay.
You too. Hey guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my fall night routine, and I'm so excited for this because today's gonna be extra fun. And I just came back from the gym, as you guys saw, had a good old workout, and I'm about to go back to my school and get into Lexi's car, and we're gonna go to the Austin Public Library today. So I decided to surprise her with a matcha moon latte from Summer Moon. Go, ready? Guys, we're at Kava right now, and look at how bomb these look. Guys, Kava literally was so bomb. Okay, so now we're going to Baked Bear to get ice cream.
Hey mom, if you're watching this, eyes on the road.
Eyes on the road.
Going under the speed limit.
Stop.
Am I in it?
Yeah, you're in it.
Nice. I'm famous.
Guys, we're at my favorite spot downtown. I always talk about this in my vlogs. And like, there's a little cute dog.
We were becoming a gang.
Okay. Ice cream haul. I got Cookie Monster cookie sandwich with mint chocolate chip ice cream.
I got vanilla ice cream with Funfetti cookies. I'm so excited.
Y'all, I'm so excited to eat this. Look at this.
I'll be taking the long way home. The world ain't for my soul. Teenage therapy.
Whoa! I gotta get a rap song.
I don't care if we on the run. Nothing matters when we got a gun.
She's rapping.
Myself a diamond ring, married to.
It's like a huge chunk.
All your racks and things. All your racks and things.
She's slapping out. Okay, so I just got home, and now we can actually start the rest of the at-home night routine. Usually I do something after school. I will hang out with a friend or go somewhere with my parents. Like, I feel like I always do something right after school. Dad, you wanna say hi? Okay, so I just got home. Now we're gonna go on a call for Teenage Therapy's music video. So if you haven't already, go stream Teenage Therapy. It's what was just playing in the background of those last clips.
If you like the video.
No, not yet. It's too early.
I can email and text and whatnot. So I just wanted to meet with you guys one more time.
Oh, did you send him the mastered link? Or
No.
I can do that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send you the mastered, like, final song. It's now on Spotify and iTunes and stuff, but I have like the actual download. And so today I got dinner with Lexi. We had kava, which was amazing, and baked bear, as you guys saw. So now it is 6:48. And I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'll show y'all how I unwind. Found this really cute sweater on Nordstrom that I want to get, so yeah, we're gonna go shopping. also. Whew, okay. Hey guys, just got out of the shower and I have the weirdest pajama combination on. We've got a big t-shirt from Urban, and then I've got some Christmas pajamas. Typically, what I like to do when I unwind for the night is first light a candle. And you guys know pumpkin candles are the bomb. Not as good as Christmas candles, I must say, but fall candles definitely hit different. Today has been such a good day. I feel like there's been a lot of stress in my life just because Teenage Therapy just got released. And then there's also a music video coming out that I'm filming this Friday. But also, I just released a bunch of merch. So I will put everything up on the screen. There is 2 different color hoodies, a tumbler cup, a canvas, a print, and a mug. And then there's also a tote bag, which is so freaking cute, and it's my Mill Valley merch. That will be in the description. Before I start my homework, I want to buy this sweater from Nordstrom that I found like a week ago. So let's online shop. I've got my laptop. Also, how cute are my new fairy lights in the back? Hello?
Why didn't you try the lights?
Oh, I don't know. This video is sponsored by Karma, so thank you Karma for sponsoring this video. For those of y'all that have never heard of Karma, basically it's an app and browser extension that ensures you never miss a price drop or coupon code. Last year during Black Friday, I took advantage of Karma. And let me tell you guys, I got the best deals, and also during the holiday season is a perfect time to shop as well. Right now I'm gonna pull up the sweater, and I will have the sweater linked down below because I'm so obsessed, and I'm actually going to Idaho with Maddie. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 days. Oh no, 5 days. I'm going to Idaho with Maddie in 5 days, and I want this sweater to wear there. So this is the sweater that I want. It's the Cozy Roll crew neck sweater from Nordstrom.com, $35. And if you can see on the very far right, I have this blue little button that I can drag up and down. It's basically on my screen at any time I'm shopping, and when I click on it, I can save the product to my Karma page. What's really interesting is you can even select what price drop to be notified of, as well as save it to a customizable list. Something that I really found to enjoy about Karma is last year I wanted something during the holiday time and it wasn't available, so what I did was save it, and then I got a notification via email or mobile push when it came back in stock, and I didn't have to like look it up or anything. I just got a notification from Karma. That's another reason why I love shopping with them. The homepage is filled with fall favorites, recently visited, and steals and deals. Then if I go on the very left side, I can go down to my items, and you can see a bunch of my favorite things that I've saved on here. And while I'm at it, I'm also going to get a refill of my EOS shaving cream because that's like the best shaving cream ever. As you can see, it was originally $5.75, but with Karma, it's now $2.99, and it automatically loads and applies codes at checkout. It is crazy. And you can create like little wish lists, which makes shopping so much easier, especially if you're shopping for like other people and you add all your items that you want from different websites. Karma will show you which ones are discounted, and then you can save so much money. So it's really easy to download. You can get the Karma Chrome extension through my link, which will be in the description. One last thing I want to mention is when you shop from select retail partners, Karma gives cash back to you and to a good cause as well. Highly recommend this if you don't want to spend a lot of money, but you also have a shopping addiction, because same. Ugh. I've literally been editing for the past 3 hours. I'm so freaking tired, and I still have homework to do. Literally rip. But I want to show you guys what cleanser and moisturizers and stuff I've been using. I already did my skincare because I showered, obviously. But yeah, let me show you guys. Also, I have this like big pile of clothes in my room. Pixie sent me some PR mail the other day, and look at how cute these little masks are. I did this one the other day and it was really good. Okay, so for my cleanser in the shower, only whenever I shower, this is the one that I use, and it was recommended to me by my dermatologist, but I don't use this one every day. The one that I do use every day though is this one, and it's from Beauty Counter. It's the Rejuvenating Face Cleanser. Really easy on your skin, and I really like this. Now I'm going to take care of this because I just can't leave it there. Oh, literally so many clothes for just one day. time to do homework. It's 11 o'clock. I swear I literally do not stay up this late. I mean, it depends on who I'm texting, but like most of the time I feel like I go to bed pretty early just because I am more of a morning person than a night person. The only main class that I have tomorrow is history. I'm gonna check my homework thing though and make sure. All right, yeah, just history, and what I have to do is read the Magna Carta and answer all these questions or something. This is where I keep all of my homework in. I made a little binder cover, and then inside I put all of my like notes in these plastic protector sheets. I definitely recommend doing that. It is amazing. So if you have like tests that have like 6 pages, you can just put it in one plastic sheet and then put it in your binder and then just study it at the end of the year. And that way you don't have to like flip through pages, you just take it out since it's already stapled. All right, this is the Magna Carta. I kind of already started highlighting and stuff, but I just need to finish that, so I'm gonna do that. I'll see you guys when I'm done. Guys, I'm going to bed. I'm literally so tired. I don't even know if you can tell, but I literally feel dead. Homework is done, and tomorrow I'm going to vlog, so this will be a continuation. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning vlog. I'm eating breakfast currently, and then we got a phone call and my dogs ran away, so we're gonna go pick them up right now. Okay, should we drive? It's like they want to leave. They're just like so done. They're trying to get out of our house. I'm so sore from yesterday.
You're gonna have to hold them on your lap because they can't scratch my leg. I can't drive. They're scratching my legs.
Okay.
Dad said they got it yesterday too.
How do they get out? 32.
Yeah.
They have strings on their collars. Oh my goodness.
She didn't have any leash.
Gracious. What is going on? Y'all are...
Keep them down. Don't let them jump on you.
Y'all are so musty.
Dirty. I know. Do not let them
They
jump on you.
literally smell so disgusting. No.
Do not let them out before you leave, Caroline.
No, go to the bathroom.
No.
This is too, they smell so
I
bad. I'm just trying to eat my breakfast in peace, and these dogs run away. I am all ready for school. I'll show you guys my fit for the day. Same thing as usual, literally never changes, but I thought I would close out the video here, so if you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, oh, what's going on here? Don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.
Escapism, I confide into these words my journal hides. I try so hard to beautify the way I look, can't get it right. Jealousy and apathy I take in my lungs every time I breathe. Feeling the world's weight, walking through it aimlessly. Wiping my tears off my face. Gotta say